like a hologram. It's so trippy looking.
Oh. Dog yan?
That's one puppy. I don't know that is. It's just a, it's a
Yeah. Part of the museum. This is the first stop. Okay, let's go. So, it's Science Museum. Buti meron.
Oh my goodness, we're so tiny.
Yeah, how about the other?
This is skinny.
Wow, paya tayo.
Your mic is here, by the way.
Ha? Wala yan, di naka-on.
Oh my god. I'm taking up the whole.
Asan tayo? Oh no!
Oh my goodness. I can't grab it. Kaka!
Ano yan?
Maybe close to right there.
Ha?
These are the primary colors.
It's a primary color.
This is fun.
Yeah, that's why it's science. Ito na tayo, maybe. What's there?
Scream into it.
Oh! Narinig mo?
Yeah.
Saan mo narinig?
You can hear from here.
Ganyan. Ikaw lang nakakarinig, no? Sige nga, sigaw ka. Ikaw lang makakarinig. Tingnan mo.
I can hear it from here.
Oh!
Try from here.
Oh!
I can hear it.
Cool. Hindi naririnig sa labas, no? Sigaw lang.
I know. My hands are very shaky.
Just focus.
It's too heavy for me.
Put it back. Sa art, ano? Art,
That's why
Art Island, Artin Island.
Yeah. What's this?
Ano to? Parang... Oh.
Oh, I don't know what that is. Am I supposed to see $1?
Yeah. I think so.
Does it work?
It's, yeah. You just need to press. I don't know what's gonna happen. Huh? After you press,
No, there's no pressing. You just listen to it.
ano narinig?
Sound of nature.
Oh, meron din dito, oh. Tingnan mo, naapakan natin. Diba?
Ayun na si Kuya nandun, no?
Asan yung planetarium?
Ayun yung planetarium.
Ay, yung Odori.
Ayun yun, nasa gitna yan sa may tower. Tapos ito Oasis 21.
Oo nga.
So kaya daw siya tinawag na Oasis 21 because it's like a green patch or a patch of green in the city. It's like a green.
It's like
called the
Oasis.
And it's modern, like in the 21st century. That's why it's called Oasis 21.
Okay.
Double research.
Oo. At least,
Aqua.
ito yung airport.
踩到真的城市一样。
Sempre.
妹妹，你看脚底下都有。
Okay?
Ayan naman yung other side. Chubu. Ayan naman din naman tayo galing.
Yung gimbal, siguro nasa set to eh. Nangingialam to eh.
Tokaido Shinkansen.
Iba-ibang klaseng train ng Japan.
May taxi to eh. Ito yung Tokaido Shinkansen.
This one, the 700. Lahat naman. Ito, 700. Ang galing nila. Pati ba yan? Gusto ni MJ? Parang ano to? Lumang mga bahay ng mga...
House, clothing, and food.
Ano yung tsura ng typical house nila? Yan yung mga hagdanan nila. Mga hindi ka na makababa. Wala naman masyado makikita dito. What did you order, Daddy?
Margarita pizza?
And I got this. This is so expensive pa nga eh. Pero this is the smallest.
Yeah.
And this is the combo. KMJ Cook. Ayan. Tayo. Ito yung ito kami sa Michelin Star daw.
Michelin Guide.
Michelin Guide pala na pizza ano. Ito yung may truffle, mushroom.
Puro gulay pala.
Ang sarap.
Oh my god. Curd.
Lasang truffle talaga. Sarap. Sarap. Yeah. Very good. Ito sa'yo half-half tayo. Half. Very good. Yum yum.
I'm keeping crust for last.
Ano? Pasado?
Yeah.
You like it? Tingnan natin kung mananalo si Daddy, ah.
最初はグー、じゃんけんぽい、あいこでしょ。
Wow, sugoi!
はい、続いてまいりましょう。
Talo si Daddy. All, I'm not...
最初はグー、じゃんけんぽい、あいこでしょ。
Ano ba yan?
Dapat ganun nga daw.
Galing nga.
最初はグー、じゃんけんぽい。 最初はグー、じゃんけんぽい。
Ang galing talo, ah. Ginalingan, ah. Let's go. So, para itong sa yung Otsukano Market, pwede pa eh. Pwede pa, oh. Ayan na, stop na, wala na. Kanina pwede pa. Kaya maraming pila. Oh, papractice tayo. Satsuguru, 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 Mag-isip tayo ng game. Sa 24, kailangan mag-isip tayo ng content. Yan, we are in Otsukano Market. Tama? Di ba may temple dito sa dulo? Dito yung side na yun o doon sa other side? Oh, I think ito thrift shop to. Oo. Ayan. Kumain kami dun sa Solo Pizza. Kasi marami ako napapanood na vloggers na okay daw doon. Magkatabi yun na Michelin Guide restaurant. Para sa akin, okay lang. Masarap, don't get me wrong, masarap siya, kaya lang hindi siya extraordinary. Bagay, ano pa bang hahanapin mo sa pizza, no? Paano ba magiging extraordinary yung pizza? Masarap yung dough niya, diba? Pero kasi parang hindi siya sobrang init.
Baka kasi lumamig na.
Talaga, ang bilis mainit sa loob, kinain natin kagad, Ayun. So, inikot namin. May mukhang mas maikli to kaysa doon sa Sapporo.
Hindi,
na,
doon kasi other side pa.
Oo. Sa mo, nasa gitna tayo kanina.
Oo nga.
2 domes lang yung naandaran natin, So, yan. Sama kayo, sa pamamasyal namin. Doon sa dulo ng market, there's a temple. This is the typical temple naman na makikita sa Japan. Ayan siya. So, we're gonna enter the temple. May event? Wala. Ayan, Ano yun? Temple. Picturean ko kayo. Ayan. Bibili ng ticket sa Nabana no Sato. For Nabana no Sato. Wala siyang full English translation. But you just need to go to Family Mart. And then click Nabana no Sato. And then, yeah, 3,000 per...
Children under 6 admitted free. So,
Oo.
5 years old and below free.
Okay, so we just need to know. They just need to enter okay after.
And this one,
Aray ko. And then click that one. Wala na. 7 and 11. Wala na daw. Okay, so 5 sila. Okay. Ay, 6 sila. 6. So, 3 and 3 na lang.
3 and 3 na lang.
Okay.
Okay. What's this?
Yan, okay daw yan. Ha? Ano? Wala daw ticket? Wala na. Okay, 3 pa ulit.
Okay.
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 Language, English. Okay. Choose that. I don't know what that's mean. JTB. And then choose Nabana no Sato. Nabana no Sato. Nabana no Sato. Okay. Okay. Then, tick yan. Mahirap siya kapag buti na lang merong instruction si Kuya sa guide na na-download niya, sinundan niya ang steps.
Good job,
Yan. And that's 3,000 per person, 6 plus. So, 6 children, 6 years and below, they're free. No entrance.
5 and below.
5 and below,
But
rather.
it's depending on the season.
Okay.
Pag yung season, not Christmas, it's just 1,000 yan talaga.
Okay, bayaran ko na.
Bayaran na. Sakay na kami dyan. Sana hindi puno. But it's more puno. Okay. Ooh. That's the one that I said it's Harry Potter. Pila din. Pila pala. Ang hilig talaga nila sa pila, sabi ko. Nice. Parang sa ano no, ang ganda-ganda. Pero parang hindi naman parang punong-puno sa video, mga videos. Pero maganda pa rin siya.
Pero parang siksik.
Oo. Parang noon, parang pag titignan ko yung mga nag-video ang... Pero considering na wala namang entrance ito, maupo ka na MJ. Picturean mo ako dito, Ralphie. Yeah, and this one is yung parang Quidditch na game. Parang ayan. Tapos oo nga, Harry Potter themed niya siya. Kasi yun may mga Gryffindor. 'Di ba? Ayun yung mga ano niya, ang tawag diyan? Mga house ng Harry Potter. Kaya lang, sobrang daming tao rin. Kasi libre. Kaya kung gusto nyo ditong hanggang 11 o'clock to, 11 p.m. hanggang December 25 lang. Kung gusto nyo humabol, kailangan ma-upload ko to before December 25. Which is, hindi mangyayari. So, next year na. Okay. Yan. So, nasan tayo, Daddy?
Nasa Dai Building. Sa may Nagoya, tapat ng Nagoya Station. We have here the Harry Potter illumination until the Christmas.
Yep.
They will run it up by the 25th. 26 wala na.
Yep, that's correct. So, ganun dito sa Japan, ang bilis sila magligpit. Ang bilis sila magtanggal ng mga Christmas decors.
Hindi hinihintay yung 3 Kings.
Correct. Sa atin, Valentine's na. Diba? Sa atin, Valentine's na meron pa. So, after neto, magta-try kami kung pa-cut off sa sushi ni Midori. Meron pala dito sushi no Midori. Midori na restaurant. Favorite namin, though we're not sure.
So, let's see.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay? Yun lang. Yun lang yung share namin dito sa Illumination, malapit sa Nagoya Station. Yeah. Oh.
お気をつけてお召し上がりくださいませ。ごゆっくりどうぞ。
Arigato.
Didn't know
MJ's
what you
food.
guys ordered. I just
Sarap yan, egg yan. Yung gusto mong klase ng egg. Tapos yung betsu lang. Kasi ayaw mo ng curry. Kuya Ralph, oh. Akala ko ba may ganito ka?
This one is Sponsored Party.
Daddy. It's dinner time. So, nandito kami sa Coco Ichibana sa ano to mall? JR
Tower.
JR Tower building. And look what FJ got. Apple juice. And look at her meal. Apatan meal. Yan. So, ano pa yung lagay kasi?
I didn't know what you guys ordered from me.
Tima Daddy beef curry. Special set. So, we'll wait for my soup curry. And Ralph also ordered what? You ordered the same?
Ano sa kanya? With four kinds of mushroom, beef curry.
Okay. So, yan. Order ka ng curry, hindi ka wala. Sabi mo yung pichel, iwanan na dito, no? Kasi for sure, marami kang gagawing inuming water. Okay. He's eating. Daddy's eating his curry. And this is what mine. Soup curry. Tingnan natin ang soup curry dito sa Coco Ichibana.
More for me.
Okay. Let's try. First, eat this. Ah, there's no... Yeah, there. There's a spoon. Soup to. Yum. Good. Not as spicy as the other one.
Gusto mo naman lapoy. Kampay.
Kampay.
Ang sarap ng beef dito.
You can maybe take the other half.
Try lang itong chicken. Chicken yan.
I really don't like it. That one.
Chicken ba to? Fish to.
Baba. Try mo lang. Magpukutra mo, promise.
Oh, good. Ah, okay. Arigato. Oh, eto MJ, oh. Ang liit, no? Tawag dyan, elephant, ano? Maybe there. Okay.
Yeah. Welcome to Nagoya Noritake Garden. Doon may mga museum and then may mga tindahan din ng mga plates. Noritake means plates yata or ceramic. And then here inside,
Chimney?
one of the famous IG spots. The Sutaya Bookstore. Okay,
Okay.
let's explore. Let's explore.
Ah, yung parang ano, you are going there to Taya Bookstore. But In Nagoya. Heading to Nagoya Castle.
Grabe, modern yung Nagoya Castle.
Saan? Yan yun?
Hindi yan.
Iba yung dahon eh. Ayun yun. Ang tawag dyan sa bulaklak na yun. Sabi, bawal ang umihi dito.
Dapat dun sa loob.
Oo. Huwag kayo ihi dyan, Rat.
Bawal daw mag-swimming.
What's this? Taman! Let's see. Oops, 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 oops. Meron pa. Another one side. Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
Talagang pag binili mo dito, no? Hindi na tinetest. Sa Pilipinas lang ata uso tinetest eh. Patong mo doon.
Nice.
Oh. It works like iPad. Hello. Hola.
Dalawa, no? Pwede. Kasi pwede may charge din yung ano mo, iPhone. iPhone. Nice.
Nice.
Okay. Set it up.
So, pwede ba siya i-pair talaga sa iPhone mo?
Oh.
Ang hina. Kabasay ko. Ang lapit ng Nagoya. Hindi ko napansin yan nung nagtakayama tayo.
Kaya, no Mitsui.
Mitsui.